Hello guys, welcome to HBMS World. So yesterday we analyzed Maruti. So as I told you, like if this line breaks, this you can say resistance line breaks, a move will come. So today, as you all know, 248 rupees 30 paisa, that is 3.46%. So in HBMS world, we are basically analyzing the charts on with the help of a price actions, trend lines, support and resistance, and along with that, we are just giving you our views regarding the swing trading, but that is not a recommendation. Like, I am not a SEBI registered person, and if you want to purchase any stock, if you want to do any investment, long term, short term, day trading, do connect with your financial analyst, and go ahead with it, because in a stock market, anything cannot be happen with a magic mind, and anything cannot happen in a day. But yes, daily small effort will definitely grow you. I am also doing the same. This channel is all about for a learning purpose only, educational purpose. Like, we are analyzing the charts. So do let me know your views, your thoughts regarding my channel, regarding the chart patterns, and regarding the stocks which I am analyzing. And if I am doing any mistake, do correct me by commenting on my YouTube videos. So let's start analyzing today Nestle India. So my view always goes from higher time frames to lower time frames. It's from monthly. So let's analyze monthly part. This chart started around 2010. This is a consumer non-durable product. 1947, 479 rupees 10 paisa is the current price. Highest price is having a growth of 134 rupees 85 paisa. So let's find out the support and resistance. uh, this is one of the biggest support in terms of resistance in monthly. Second biggest resistance is something which you are able to see. Like, if you are standing in a room, the upside the ups if you see above, there is a wall, that is resistance, and the place where you are standing right now is your support. So this is how the stock market works. Touches the resistance, gives a retracement, or sometimes gives a breakout. If a breakout come with a high volume, definitely the stock price will move high. So okay, let's again concentrate on Nestle India. Its resistance support is first support is 186617. Second major support is around 18396, and this is also one of the major support, 18969. So this is all about monthly one. Let's go into the weekly one if we are able to find. Guys, I am able to see one trend line. So try to think, see from here, not here, here. This, if you see, if we can consider this trend line, this is one of the trend line. Okay, if we go like that, this is one of the trend line, and second trend line is, if I can just make with this, let's see which trend line it breaks in a weekly pattern. So where the breakout will come, definitely the move is high. And now let's analyze. Okay, one more trend line is there, this one, and this trend line is also there. This one. Let's see which will work for you guys. Daily chart pattern in a, guys, okay, in a daily one, this is a dividend giving stock. Okay, last time it provides a dividend of 110 rupees, guys, a huge dividend. Before than that, 90 rupees. Before than that, let's see, guys, 135 rupees. So 100 rupees plus is the dividend, or approx 100 rupees. So quite a good stock. And in a daily one, Daily one, I am not able to see any of the pattern or any support and resistance. Let's analyze the hourly chart pattern. So guys, this might if you see, this is one of the, you can say this one, both one you can consider, but right now this one and this one. Let's see tomorrow which one works, because it is on the verge of, it is it is on it is on the verge of a breakout. So once the breakout is there, definitely it moves ahead. So this is all about Nestle India. So we will analyze the previous chart on a weekly basis. Like once the weekend is there, we will analyze all the charts, and along with that, I request you please forward my channel to the concerned persons who are actually dealing in stock market. And along with that, do subscribe to my channel, do like my videos, do share my videos with those people who are actually doing stock trading, because might be they are able to catch the move with my trend lines, with my support and resistance, and that might be beneficial for them. Have a good day, guys.